Hey, hi everyone, this is admin from Admin 365, and in this video I will show you a script to get the current status of the license on your tenant, and it will also create a graphical representation of the utilization of your license count in your organization. So I have the script already created here, which is this one. What it does, it creates a file named M365 daily report, which you can use for daily reporting as well, followed by the date, and it creates it into the folder, which is here C M365 daily report. If you do not have a folder, it will create a folder for you as well. And here I have created license map where I have given the exact portal names for the PowerShell names of the license. So if you want, you can add or remove specific license name from here as well. This is specific to my organizations, which I have used here. Also, what I have done is to not disrupt the graph, I have removed all the free licenses. So any license which has the name free in it, it will not be used in the graph, but will be still present in the export. The only place where it will not be present is in the graph. So it is a basic PowerShell script. What it does, it connects with Microsoft.Graph. So you will need Microsoft.Graph module installed on your computer, and only then you will be able to run. Also, you will need a global admin account or a admin account which has at least a report reading role. So I have couple of licenses on my tenant, so I will not see much of a action in the graphical representation. But if you have different licenses in your organization, you will see different uh, charts as well for you. For us to run the script, I will copy this and save it in a location on my computer. So I have pasted it into a notepad, blank notepad, and then I'm saving it as a script file. So for that, I will go to the location where I want it to be stored. So document and script is the place. So I will click on all files. So under save as type, click on all files and then give the file a name. So it is a license script. So I will give it a name. Do make sure that it has to end with ts1. So .ts1 for it to represent as a script. So once this is done, I will open PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to open it. So now it is open as an admin, and then install the graph module. So I already have the graph module installed, but I will show you the step which you have to perform in order to install the graph module. The first step is to set the execution policy. So we'll do this. RemoteSigned and hit enter. Select Y and hit enter. It allows us to run script, and then we'll install the graph module by running install -module -name Microsoft Graph. If I hit enter, it will start to download everything, and it will take a lot of time. It takes around 15 to 20 minutes for it to install. So I will not do that. This is the command which you have to run basically. If I hit enter, it will start to gather all the information and start the installation process again, which I don't want. So I will just cancel it. And once this is completed for you, you will have to run import module command. What it does, it imports the module and makes it available for the execution. So we'll run import -module followed by the module name, which is Microsoft Graph, and hit enter. So again, this might take some time, so I will just cancel it because I already have it imported. Or to change the path of the PowerShell, I need the exact path of the script where it is located. So I will simply open the file explorer and go to the download or the document folder where I have it. I will open the folder and I will select the path by simply clicking on the top and copying it and running cd space followed by the path which I have just copied and hit enter. So this way it changes the path as well, and now simply I have to type the initial of the script, and now it is disconnected as well. So workbook generated successfully at the location which we have in the script. So you might have to change the path in the script if you want a different location, but for now it created a report in this. The file name is same, as you can see. So the file name is this M365 daily report. If I double click on it, I should see all the details here. All right, okay, as you can see, so these are the licenses column. So all the license which you have on your tenant will appear here, followed by the assigned count, the available license, and the total amount of license which you have, followed by the utilization in percentage. And on the right, we see a graphical representation of the same, followed by stating the percentage of utilization for that particular license. So it is around 55%, 56% utilized. So this is how you can use this script. I will paste the link for the script in the description as well. You can simply go to the website and download the script and run it as well. I would recommend to test it on your test user or test environment first. Once you are confident that it is working fine for you, you can simply run it in the production environment as well. So do let me know if you have any question. You can drop it in the comment section, and you have a nice day. Bye, take care.